Did you know that the first ever Olympic flag hoisted at Antwerp Olympics of 1920 was stolen and resurfaced 77 years later? Stay tuned to discover more such Olympic trivia. Fact number 1. Did you know that the Olympic torch is lit with help of not a lighter, not a matchstick or any such instrument, but with the help of Sun himself? Yes, you heard it right. This is done using a parabolic reflective mirror. Just in case you're wondering how does that work, well, the sun rays bounce off of the sides of this dish, which was called as scaphia in ancient Greece, and collect at one blazing hot point. When a gas torch comes in contact with the focal point, you have your fire. The Olympic torch lighting ceremony takes place in Olympia at the place where Temple of Zeus once existed. Fact number 2. Can you tell me which two countries march first and last respectively during the Parade of Nations at Olympic opening ceremony? Well, here is a clue for the first country. It has some sort of connection to the previous fact. You guessed it right. Greece marches first while the host nation marches last. Fact number 3. What do you know about this Hollywood actor named Norman Trevor? Will you be surprised if I tell you that he was the first ever Indian born to win an Olympic medal? Yes, he did this when he won 2 medals while representing India at the 1900 Paris Olympics. He later moved to America to try his hand at acting and appeared in quite a few Hollywood movies in the 1920s. Fact number 4. Did you know that the Chinese fired these tiny rockets into the sky during 2008 Beijing Olympics to drive away the clouds? Really? Wondering how can a tiny rocket drive away the clouds? Well, it's not exactly the rocket but the chemical inside. The silver iodide dispersed through these rockets work as a cloud condenser by manipulating the temperatures and thus forcing a cloud to rain at a selected place. This process is known as cloud seeding. In Beijing, the rockets were fired away from the city so that the clouds hovering over the city could move to the outskirts. Fact number 5. Metals used in medals being given at Tokyo Olympics are being crowdsourced from discarded electronics. Though this is not the first time medals are made from recycled metals, this is indeed the first time citizens of a country have voluntarily come forward to donate their old devices for the purpose. How amazing is that? Fact number 6. Did you know that someone on a dare once plotted to steal the Olympic flag? Yes, this actually happened at the Antwerp Olympics of 1920, where the first ever Olympic flag was hoisted. What really happened? A mischievous diver, Duke Kahanamoku, dared his fellow diver, Armenian-American Hal Hake-Priest to steal the flag during one of their casual banters. Hal actually took up the challenge, climbed the pole, stole the flag, and then packed it in his suitcase, where it stayed for the next 77 years. He revealed this incident much later to a reporter in 1997 and donated it to the IOC during the 2000 Sydney Games. So the games have witnessed daredevilry outside the arenas. All hail the priest. If you know any such interesting Olympic trivia, share with us in the comment section. Last but not the least, don't forget to click on the bell icon.